In this video, I want to show you how you can add quick view to your Shopify store. Now there are two ways that you can do this. The one is that you can manually add your coding, or the second one is you can simply go and download an app which already has it. So if you know how to code, you can do it yourself, but if you don't know how to code, you can either use ChatGPT or just simply go and download the app. So if you go to your Shopify dashboard and you click on Add Apps, open up the Shopify app store down here, and once you're here, you just want to search for Quick View. So inside of Quick View, just skip the ads here. You should be able to see some Quick View add-ons. So this one will work, this one will work, this one will work, and you can just click on them and read about them and see which one is perfect for you. Simply download it, and once you've downloaded it, you want to refresh your page and you should be able to see your app here, and then you can customize it to however you want. Now that is basically how that works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.